Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Green Forex Academy, helping traders become more profitable. My apologies, I've not been publishing videos for some time during this COVID season. I'm okay, healthy, and happy, and I'm back here. And yes, expect more videos, at least one video a week. And let's do this. So, in this video, I'll be talking about top-down analysis. So many traders find it very difficult to do that, and I've been receiving some emails, questions about how do you do your top-down analysis. Well, it's not really something difficult because in trading, if you are trading price action and you want to really check where is the trend of the market, where is the trend going, or where is the key area in the market, you need to observe those areas from the top to the bottom, like from the top going down. So that's why we say top down analysis, right? From the top going down. So now we will be going straight into the chat here, and I'll be showing you guys an example of top down analysis, how to do that to have an edge. Because if you want to trade and make some pips in the market, if you didn't have an edge, then there's no way you can survive. We all know that so many materials out there that we find, it's not enough to make you or help you survive in trading. You need to have an edge, right? Do not follow the crowd. And this is the way to go in trading. So here we have AUD New Zealand on a weekly time frame, right? If you're a scalper, you can do a top-down analysis too. If you're a day trader or a swing trader, you can still do top-down analysis. But the thing is, some traders are missing something out. If you are a scalper, you don't need to go and start doing top-down analysis from the monthly candle, weekly candle. No, because you are just looking for 5, 10 pips and you're out of the market, right? So there is difference. When you're doing top-down analysis, you should know what type of trader you are and to really know what you need to do and how many steps backward you need to take. So now here on this chart, you can see this is weekly candles, right? We can see it clearly now, like market's just going, we don't really know what is happening. This is normal with traders. They just zoom as beginners. They want to see what's happening. It's nothing bad, right? To just see what's happening in the market. But if you want to check where the trend direction is going, you don't want to zoom in too much, right? Because when you zoom in too much, there's no way you'll be able to see the direction of the market. So if you want to see clearly what the market is going, you need to zoom out, right? You need to zoom out for you to see that. So right now, if you zoom out, like zoom out and zoom this way, right? It's like, oh, some people might say this is too much. I mean, you zoom out this way, then you can see, yeah, we are on a weekly time frame, right? You can see it coming together. So now that we see this, right? So if we go here, right, we want to check what's the first thing to do. Okay, at the moment the market is consolidating, and you don't want to do anything if the market is consolidating, except if you want to pick tops and bottoms. But we know that if you don't have an edge in trading and you're just trying to pick top and bottoms, it doesn't work that way. There's no way you can make money just picking tops and bottoms. Okay, some people say oversold, overbought. I mean, if you didn't know how to use RSI or stochastics, it's not going to work that way. It's not just about saying stole on the 20 or 80 or RSI on a 20 level or 80 level or 70 or 30, and then you say, yeah, overbought, oversold. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to have an edge. You need to understand clearly what you're doing, and that way you will see yourself making profit in the market. Now, trading price action, when we're talking about naked price action, right? So you can see this chart for yourself. What you need to do here during this consolidation period, because market is always trending or consolidating. It's either market trending to the upside or market is trending to the downside, right? Or market is trending to the sideways. So It's either market is going up, sideways, or going down. And now when the market is going up, you know what to do, right? You want to look for a buy signal. If market is going down, you want to look for a sell signal. You're trading with the trend, except if you have a strategy, right? Like a pullback strategy that you have to do, applying it against the trend, right? You know what you're doing. You have a divergence in the market or something like that. I mean, then you can apply that. But it all depends on your trading plan. If you are trading with the trend or you're trading against the trend, I mean, there's nothing wrong. There's no strategy that's right or wrong. If it's working out for you, you're making money, then fine. But here, like I said, the secret here, know what you do, know that you have an edge. Here that we have the market consolidating. Can we really make something out of this? If you have a strategy, or I will say in this video, you want to pick tops and bottom with an edge, right? You need to know where the key levels are. And the simple thing you're going to do here is just to apply support and resistance. Just know the key level in this chat right now. Let's just do this, right? So guys, at this point, you want to look at the low and the highs, right? Looking for your support and resistance. So we will connect our supports and resistance in this consolidation, and that way you will see what it means to do a top-down analysis, right? So we connect those lows. Let's take it from here, right? We connect those lows to the high here. We can see this is the zone where the market touches most of the low and most of the high, right? So we are in a weekly time frame right now, right? So let's go back to the daily time frame. We can see in the daily time frame, right? This is what we have, right? And the daily time frame. And then we have this point here, and then we have this point here, and then we have this point here, and then we have this point here. So all these points you're seeing below here, these are points of expansion. Now is the time to look for an entry to ride the trend to the upside. So we can see this, right? We can see these are tabs. These are tabs here. You can see all this. This is it. This is it. And what happened at this point here that we see so many traders here will say, oh, this is nice. I want to buy from here, right? And then what happened? The market come downward and take them out from their stop losses. And then the second time again, they say, yeah, I want to buy, right? They buy. These are amateur traders. And then the next thing, the price go down, take them out from their stop losses. And then the third time, they say, yeah, I need to buy here. They buy, and then this went down to this point and take a lot of stop losses, right? And some people go in here again and they say, I need to buy. And what happened? This goes down and take stop losses, right? So you can see so many times people trying to go in here too, right? Some people will go in here, right? We can see this. And what happened at this point? Here it goes down to this point, and where? It takes out the stop losses. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, 5 times the market expands. At this point, we're looking to ride the trend to the upside, because this consolidation, which is accumulation because it's coming from the upside, has given us enough expansion is that at this moment, if you are a trader, you'll be looking for a trend to the upside. So this is the concept. You analyze your trade on a weekly, you take it down to daily or 4 hours, or you analyze on a daily, you take it at 4 hours or 1 hour, or you analyze in 4 hours, you take it to 1 hour or 30 minutes, right? And so on down to 5 minutes, and even high probability traders analyzing down to the 1 minute chart. The lower time frame is not advisable actually for beginners. If you're in a higher time frame, you can see the trend direction clearly. You can see when the trend is changing. And that way you can follow the trend nicely. Merry Christmas. I want to say great season to everyone. Let's keep moving forward. And that's the way. Keep learning. If you like this video, drop some comments, like, and share with some other people. See you in my next video.